abashobozi nibagira ngo nibasiba mu maka gabo batineho kukora bwa nyuma y'obuju bwabo okushenywa bakanso.
Abakazi twine abana tubasomesa, twine ebitebe za loni hati bayikalire mukantu balirwanka kale bayitsana mupaka twine abasubuzi bali hano mupaka mbatondera henkaito kutufunira netu ekyokulya hati bona babagara enyuma nituruha paka mbere iziye ito nk'abandi tugenda kugoboramu business zaitu ziri harimo na paka hatu agenda kora
neza roni tujya roni tukweye hasa zino abana bitu fees tukashashura fees tubana banana fees tukajya roni yabo everyday hasa zino roni ya everyday na nibija tutandika kweshereka tutunese kuyasera
ole chibereho tubeterizo mwanya tulumutanga tujakora beja batahira tuli abatugamba tuyihe ibintu batebira umusanju kainora ibintu byokweya tushali basigazi akwa mwana bembe ngupangisize niyo lose ituli meje yokorora sarude tonge twateka na synthesis nzokonga senyule chifo na habweki tinkumanya kinkumage chinko kutizire obusasa bw'inkale butuyine.
James Mpanga tabonekera ko warwimi tabonekanso nagira ngo abashubuzi bamanyengwe chikozurwe mu mateka.
Ebyombe bitali mateka tukabahandikira tabamanyisa 3 weeks back. In fact we were nyuma even for but with the coming of the directive from the president ku Kansas city towns zone all urban centers we wrote again to these people about 3 weeks. Ato wile wikiro that was by 7th basanga bamaze kuyamwe twabagambire abatahiremu twize twabayamba kubihamu njokoro cyaro amana wena bachapa chapati around the street see mayabano ba komando babona
sogo mwanya gono gw'abantu abo bone soko shifting kubareta na twatandika gukora kandi ugo mwanya ninje gone gusinga nakatara twine akantu wenda gukora steps 3 eje yayibure twatandika twine kongeraho deni wanoreba ahansa kumarirayo umuhanda ukagarukire kuno kuri abakuri bayotombita gutaro umuhanda so umuhanda twenda gwirizifa kuri niko side ya kuno naho abantu ba hotel bombe ko buju bwabo kurungi abe na fezi yo ruguru naho twaboneza
Yosi yakure prana wataona kanso ya Rwimi yashobora zima hantebe kanise zitebe kanise yebwe okutungure tawuni ya Rwimi.
Look most our town at night because light is a very serious catalyst for development. So everyone is not just lighting for security, but for beautification. So we're also pushing the fifth agenda, which is about lighting. So when you put all these together, you'll be able to see a very clear, orderly and sustainable Rwimi during day and night.
Kasha kwa Gerbert Mahanguzi.